Hello student, you have seen already last day we have started this second chapter, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources, and also we have discussed about the factors affecting the uneven distribution of population all over the world. So this is also important question also, what are the factors affecting uneven distribution of population all over the world. So these factors also already have in your book. The main factors are land and climate. According to the landform, people try to live on a plain surface rather than mountain and plateau region. Climatic condition, people always try to live in a favorable climatic condition. Harsh climatic condition is unfavorable for human survival. And steep slope of mountain, you have seen, if you will go to the mountain region, their number of population or population density very low. The main reason is steep slope of that particular area. And also the low-lying areas susceptible waterlogging, desert and thick forest. These are the reason, that's why people try to live on a plain land rather than on that particular areas. Plain region always favorable for human survival due to agricultural activity, not only agricultural activity but also they are set up their houses, they are built up roads and also building industry for different reasons. Now today I will discuss about the land use. What is land use? All the people live on the earth surface, that means all the people also use land for their different reason or different ways. So first, what is land use? First, what is land use? First, what is land use? It is also important short question. So land use means when land is used for different purpose. This is very important. Different purpose, not only a single purpose. Different purpose such as agriculture, forestry, mining, animal husbandry, building houses, built up roads. These are called land use. So when we will use the land for different purpose, this is called land use. Now, can you list out the different ways in which Members and Peters family use the land? You can also make a list. Members family use the land for agricultural activity and also their family stay only in a small villages, but Peters family lives in an area on that particular places are developed. That means New Zealand also are developed nations, and all the facilities are also available. Sheep rearing also have done. So you can also make a list in your home how land use have done by Peters and Members. Now the use of land is determined by the physical factors. Land use depends on some factors. What are the factors? That's why land in use for different purpose. So first, some physical factors are topography. Topography means a shape of land. Soil. These are the physical factors. That's why land use are differ from place to place. Topography, soil, climate. Based on, but depends on climate. Then minerals. Which type of minerals are deposited on that particular areas. That's why mining activity also found in some places, and also the availability of water. So two important questions also you have seen. First one, uneven distribution of population all over the world, what are the reason, and what are the factors affecting the different types of land use pattern all over the world. These factors are topography, First, the shape of land. According to the shape of land, people use the land for different activities. Then soil, if soil is become very fertile, obviously people try to doing some agricultural work. Then climatic condition is favorable, people also set up buildings, houses, and permanently they try to live on that areas. Mineral deposits, land if having lots of valuable minerals, people also try or taken out these minerals through some mining activity, and availability of water also are important factor for land use all over the world. In your book, human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. Human factors, these are the physical factors, and human factors, these human factors are population and technology. This is a human factor, this is the population and technology. These are the two factors. These are the two factors. That's why people try to land use in different ways. Population means people applying their skill and knowledge. With the help of technology, people use the land for different purpose. In your book, I have a table number 2.1. You will see that all over the world, land used for different purpose such as cropland, pasture, forest, and others. So other uses. First, cropland means, obviously you can understand, cropland means doing agricultural activities. Then pasture means for grazing purpose. Some domestic animals are reared on that areas. This is for pasture land. And forest also. Some areas also use for forest. Some natural forests are also found, and also some plantation also found all over the world. So this purpose also, land also used. Then other uses means set up buildings, set up roads, set up industries. These are also other factors for land use. So according to this table, you have seen that the India is also leading for cropland. Maximum, India's economy also depends on agriculture. So croplands is also most important part of our country, India's land use pattern. And then another part of the pasture land is also maximum have in Australia. So, and then Japan also having large areas of forest, and the other uses, this is the Canada. Canada is also developed nation. There are also different type of activities. So these are the land use pattern all over the country and all over the world. So up to this you will read. Next we will start the remaining portion of this chapter. Thank you.